Hi and welcome to Top Tips Tuesday, the first one for 2023. So Jeff here again from GCD Properties. So hope everyone's had a great break in the new year and really hit 2023 with a roaring success. So the first tip for the new year is how to pay your home loan off faster. Now this might be a debt on your own home, or if you're fortunate enough to have paid your own home loan off, it might be a debt on a mortgage property. So it's a good time of year just to reflect on what's happened and going forward some big goals or plans you may have for the following 12 months. And I think we all have that aspiration to be debt free in terms of our home loan or investment properties. It gives you a lot more choices and options in life. The first way we could do that is we could increase the monthly or mortgage payments. Generally the banks will set up a monthly mortgage payment. Now, as the interest is calculated daily, the faster you can make those payments, the less interest you're going to pay, the faster you're going to pay the home loan off. So by simply changing those monthly instalments to fortnightly, that means essentially in the 12 months you'll actually have paid 13 monthly instalments. So it actually pays a bit more off and it really reduces the term of the loan. On average, depending on the interest rate and the loan size, but on average around about, it can save you about 5 years. So if you're looking to get rid of your debt sooner, it's a great first step. And if it's an investment property debt, I would always recommend that you speak to the property manager and see if they can increase the payments from monthly to fortnightly, which I've done myself in the past to allow you to pay that mortgage off in fortnightly payments. So always discuss that with your broker or your lender, but generally that's a great first step. Number two, we can ask our bank or our lender for a discount on our interest rate. I did that recently just before Christmas in fact, and I got a discount. So generally they'll have a standard variable retail rate and generally we can get a discount below that. It is a very competitive market. You've got nothing to lose by asking the question, so always go back to the lender, but just be prepared to have a rate that's quoted from another lender on a very similar lending scenario that you can always go back to. So always ask for the discount and use those extra savings, not to spend, but use those extra savings to increase the mortgage payment to pay that loan off faster. And thirdly, we can increase the payment amount. So we can increase the amount we pay, round it up to the next $100 per month or fortnightly. We can use a bonus every time we get paid our annual salary increase. We can increase the payment figure, or if we get a bonus from our employer, we can use that bonus to put in. You might have some things lying around home. It's a great time of year to do a bit of a cleanup. So any things that you're not using, whether you can downsize, turn that into cash and put that in the offset account. So having an offset account works really well when you have that surplus income. With the benefit of an offset account is if you pay those extra funds into the offset, you can always access them if you need to. So if you've got a holiday account or a savings account, just think, is it more beneficial in the offset account? So I hope that's given everyone some ideas and some thoughts moving forward and helping you to get towards that goal of financial security, and look forward to seeing you next Tuesday.